Hi, from this beautiful spot on the Newcastle coast, I want to introduce you to SETI. What is SETI? SETI is the search for extraterrestrial life. It is a hypothesis. So during this module, what you will learn is actually to test or put to a test such an hypothesis or an idea. In the first module of the whole course, the one about the cultural perspective, you learned about the fact that there is an anthropocentric view about aliens or extraterrestrial life. It seems almost as if we are incapable as a species of understanding or hypothesizing or imagining life or intelligence in a form that it's different from what we know. So that's what you will have to consider to put to the test. And in fact, at the end of the module, you will have an example of how life can try to communicate with us, and maybe we are incapable of understanding what life wants to tell us. So SETI was put forward by some scientists, Carl Sagan and Drake, with the premise that there must be intelligence in the universe, so someone capable of communicating with us. And all the research is about sending probes, satellites, beyond the solar system and try to perceive radio waves or some form of waves of extraterrestrial communication. So the anthropocentric perspective is exactly this. We send satellites with all possible information about us, but still in a way of communicating that it's based on what we know. We probably cannot communicate as a penguin does. We don't have the same form. I'm speaking in English, which is not my language. So I am still formulating thoughts, and then out of my mouth there become words, and the words are so that we are all supposed to know the meaning. Although if you are aware, a lot of times people misunderstand. So now you know how difficult it is to communicate, even between us or between us and another species. Imagine how difficult it can be to communicate with some other forms of life. Anyway, I will leave you here meeting a few people. You will meet Professor Brett Sneelan from the University of Newcastle, a geomicrobiologist. And then you will meet some of the people who actually invented SETI. So enjoy the lecture.